All right, here we go. We got to review exponents. We did this about 6 months ago, a long time ago, guys. So I'm going to go really fast. Hopefully you don't die of boredom. And here we go. So here's the rule up above. You can read that yourself. But 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. That's that one. 2 squared is 2 times 2. And if I rewrite it with exponents, that's 2 to the fifth. Same thing with y to the fourth times y squared. That means I got y times y times y times y. That's y to the fourth times y times y. That's y to the sixth. Again, when you multiply, it looks to me like you're adding the exponents. Adding them when you multiply. If you have the same base. And last one, y to the 100 times y to the 1 will be y to the 101. Done. 101 and done. Moving on. The quotient rule. So now we're dividing. 3 to the third really means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 squared really means 3 times 3. And then I can one them out. 1, 1, 1, 1. So technically I have 3 over 1, which is 3. Okay, let's try this one. C to the fifth means c times c times c times c. C squared means c times c. And if I one them out, I'm left with 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 times 1 times c times c times c is c to the third power. Let's write that down here. Over 1 times 1, which is 1. And anything divided by 1 is that anything. Done. So it looks to me like you subtract the exponents if you have the same base, which was a, m minus n, 5 minus 2 is 3. Easy. Piece of cake. So 2 minus 5 would be c to the negative third. But if we want to show our work, we'll get c times c on top, because it says c squared. And we'll have c times c times c times c times c. And if I one stuff out, I get a 1 on top, because 1 times 1 is 1. When I cancel things out, I'm left with 1. And then c to the third power. We'll be exploring this later on, but these two things are equivalent. All right, let's move on. Let's change voices over to the British. They're very good mathematicians, so here we go. Now it's a power to a power. So 2 squared means, well, do it 3 times. 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared. I don't know where my accent went. Oh well. 2 squared means 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2. And it looks like I have 2 to the 6th, because I've got 6 of them. Done. Let's keep going. This is fun. So this 3 tells me to do this. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. If I reorganize them, I get this. All I did was put the 2's together, and that means I have 2 to the third times x to the third. Done. Alright, let's try this one. Negative 2a squared b 4 times. So write it not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. And then if I'm organized, I've got 4 2's, so negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. A squared, a squared, a squared, a squared. B, 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 B. And let's finish this thing. That's going to be negative times 4 negative, that'd be positive 16. Because that's 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. A to the 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? B to the 4. Done. Thanks for listening. Sorry I went to 5.5 minutes. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Thanks for listening. Hope you learned something. Have a good day. Sorry I keep talking. Adios, amigos.